Hello grade 12 students and welcome to a new technical English lesson. This is part 2 of lesson 1. I hope you will enjoy today's lesson. So let's start our lesson today. Let's start with the objectives of today's lesson. After studying this lesson, you will be able to read an incident report and complete an incident report form. Ask and answer questions in the past simple tense. Starter. Let's revise some words from the previous lesson. Read the definitions and try to find out what do they refer to. Stop the video, read the definitions, find the words, and play the video again to check your answers. Welcome back, my dear students. Now let's check your answers. A very bright light or colored smoke that can be used as a signal or a device that produces this. Flare, good. A machine that lifts heavy objects by turning a chain or rope around a tube-shaped device. Winch, good. A piece of equipment like a jacket without sleeves that is filled with air or light material and is designed to help you float if you fall into water. Excellent, life jacket. A type of boat that is carried on a large ship and is used in emergencies. For example, when the ship is sinking to take people to safety. Excellent, life raft. A device that sends a signal or information. Good, beacon. Now, please open your coursebook page 5 reading. Read this news article and explain what the words below refer to. But before we do this activity, let's have a look at some new words in the next 3 slides. Our first word is the word strikes. Strikes means to hit someone or something forcefully or violently. Sinks. Sinks means to cause something or someone to go down below the surface or to the bottom of a liquid or soft substance. Then we have the word visible. Visible means able to be seen. Struck. Struck is the past of strike and it means to hit someone or something. Sank. Sank is the past of sink and it means to go down below the surface or to the bottom. We have the word Coast Guard. Coast Guard is the organization that helps boats in danger. Crew. Crew means a group of people who work together. Transmitted. To broadcast something or to send out or carry signals using radio, television, etc. Detached. Detached means to separate or remove something from something else that is connected to. Yacht. Yacht is a boat with sails and sometimes an engine used for either racing or traveling on for pleasure. Increase. Increase means to make something become larger in amount or size. Now, can you find out what the words below refer to? Remember to read the sentence or words before the words you underlined. Take your time to do the activity, then come back when you finish to check your answers. Welcome back, my dear students. Now let's check your answers. They in line 14 refers to the two sailors. Number 2. It in line 25 refers to good, the signal. Number 3. Which in line 35 refers to the beacon. Number 4. Itself in line 39 refers to the beacon. Number 5. There in line 41 refers to on the surface. 6. In which in line 52 refers to in an earthly rescue. Can you read the following words? Stop the video and try to read them aloud, then play the video again to listen to the words. Now, you will listen to the words. Please repeat the words you hear.
Unit 1. Recording 3.
Kilometers. Flares. Visible. Emergency. Signal. Coast Guard. Beacon. Free floating. Satellite. Automatically. Megahertz. Wavelength.
Now listen and repeat the words again.
Unit 1. Recording 3.
Kilometers. Flares. Visible. Emergency. Signal. Coast Guard. Beacon. Free floating. Satellite. Automatically. Megahertz. Wavelength.
Now let's move to activity number 5. Use the information from the news article in exercise 4 to complete the instant report form. You have 5 minutes to do the activity. Please stop the video, do the activity, and come back when you finish to check your answers. Welcome back, my dear students. Now let's check your answers. Date of rescue, 18 July. Name of boat, Taiga. Distance of boat from land, 77 kilometers. Number of people rescued, 2. Time of first emergency signal, 9:30. Type of emergency beacon, 406 megahertz free floating beacon. Time of rescue, 11. Method of rescue, winch into helicopter. Good. Now let's revise the past simple tense. The past simple is used to talk about events which happened at a specific time in the past. For example, I went to the park yesterday. They arrived this morning. To make a question in the past simple, we use did plus subject plus base form of the verb. Did you watch the film yesterday? If we use a question word, then we use the question word first plus did plus subject plus base form of the verb. Where did you go last week? Now, can you form questions using the form in exercise 5? Form at least 3 questions in the past simple. Stop the video, form the questions, and play the video again for a list of some suggested questions. Welcome back, my dear students. Now let's have a look at some questions. What was the name of the boat? How far was the boat from the land? How many people did your team rescue? What time was the first emergency signal? What type of emergency beacon did the boat have? What time did your team carry out the rescue? I hope you enjoyed our lesson today, my dear students. Till we meet again, goodbye.